Good morning, LifeWealth family. This is Hilgardt here again from the captain's chair. It is Wednesday, January 25th, and I'm happy to be with you. I took a few days off to go enjoy the weekend, long weekend, I guess, with my son, Chris, skiing a little bit in Salt Lake City and had a fantastic time. As we review markets, I will tell you the biggest question you should answer this year is what kind of investor are you? That really is a sub-function of your plan. If you haven't created a plan yet, if this video has been forwarded to you from a friend or a member of our LifeWealth family, then my first encouragement for you is to figure out your plan. Because your plan will tell you the purpose of your money. And the purpose of your money will tell you how you should be thinking about this year. We're still seeing that the Fed is very, very hawkish. That word hawkish just means that the Fed is aggressive in continuing to increase interest rates. There are certain times where certain themes change or where the focal point in the markets change. And I have not seen the Fed be such a focal point in my entire 27-year career as I've seen it in these last 2 years. The whole market and everything is looking towards the Fed's response to gross domestic product, if you would, which is basically our economical growth. More so, really, how they see inflation. We're in the phase where good news is bad news and bad news is good news, because it really translates into what the Fed was going to do, whether it's going to continue to increase interest rates or not. I think it's pretty much a very strong sign that we're seeing that the Fed is going to continue to increase interest rates. As we look back to quarter four's production, even GDP is going to come in at about 2.4 to 2.8%. But very much the markets are looking forward. We're anticipating a tough 6 months ahead of us. And that's why I go back to the question, what kind of investor are you? And based upon that answer, the advice would be unique and applicable to you and your unique situation. That's why we love giving individual investment advice. So I want to just bring you quickly up to speed. We had a really, really good event last week. We had our chief investment officer with us, and we discussed in detail the projections that we're seeing for this year. I'll be hosting a mini version of that on Friday, so I invite you to be part of that webinar. And we're also looking forward to having a lot of our family members with us at our Wine and Wisdom. That's a great event that we're doing 4 times a year to have some fun and to share some wisdom in the process of just life wealth. So I look forward to seeing you at that time, and also look forward to bringing you an update on where the markets are going in about 2 weeks from now. Have a great rest of the week.